Hello all Breckwell Pellet Stove owners. Thanks for dropping by to watch this video. This evening on my test bench I have Jeff's Breckwell brand Pellet Stove Controller. Jeff sent this to me because he was having problems with it, and I identified a damaged land on the circuit board and replaced a couple of components as well. I have it currently connected up to my tester. My tester has light bulbs that simulate the igniter, the combustion fan, that's the exhaust fan, the auger in yellow, and the convection or room fan, the one marked in red. So when I do turn on the controller, I expect the combustion fan and the convection fan to come on. On your stoves, initially the convection fan will not come on because it needs a temperature switch to be closed before that happens. On my tester, I do not have that switch. So let's go ahead and turn it on and we'll see those two lights come on. And there we have it. We have the blue indicated light, the combustion, and the red indicated light, the convection fans come on. Now a couple tests that I can do here is because I'm in the low position here, I can go ahead and press the high fan switch and we'll see the intensity of the red indicated light come on. So notice how it's brighter. So that is functioning correctly. That puts it to max. And the other thing I can do is I can cycle through the switch positions here. So if I go to B, C, D, E and F will not be different than D. That's the standard for these controllers. So that changes the intensity or the voltage supplied to the convection fan and makes it run faster or slower. So I'll cycle through that again and you can see the intensity of the light bulb go up or down. The other thing I can check right now is the manual feed. That's the momentary switch right here. When I press that, I expect the auger motor to come on. And there we have it. Press release, press release, press release. So you can see how the auger would run. So I'll go ahead and press the auger button here. And when I do that, two things will actually happen. One is the green light will come on, and the second, a timer will start. And that timer will last about 30 seconds approximately. And when that timer expires, the auger will come on. We also might hear it, but we won't see anything happen because this controller, even though it does have the circuitry for the hot rod igniter, does not have the wiring out to the igniter light bulb. So there is not a connection for it here, although the circuitry is there. So I'll go ahead and press that. We'll see the green light come on. There we have it. The green light came on, and momentarily the auger came on, which is kind of standard on my tester. So we'll have to wait a little bit of time, almost 30 seconds. And when that 30 seconds expires, we'll see that the indicator LED that is on the circuit board behind this little hole here will come on. And at the same time, when it's on, the auger drive will happen. There, we had it. We had the auger drive, and let's do that cycle one more time and look for this light bulb to come on. So right now we're in a low position, so there's a little bit of a time lapse. So there we saw it. We saw the LED on the background come on, and we saw the light come on. Now the next thing that I can do is I can switch through to the max position. What that will do, it will increase the intensity of the convection fan as it's running, and it will cause the auger motor to stay on longer, which dumps more pellets into the fire pit and causes it to roar a lot higher. So let's go ahead and switch that. Let me carefully grab that. So I have it on max now, and the next time that the auger comes on, we'll notice that it's on for a longer period of time. Let's just wait for that to happen. So there it's on, and notice it's on for a longer period of time, allowing the auger motor to drop more pellets into the pit. The other thing that's happening now is the off time is shorter, so the motor will come on a little quicker next. We won't have to wait the full 30 seconds. So there we go. That was about 10 seconds. So it's on for longer and it's off, and for a short duration of about 10 seconds, and then it'll come back on. So there I have it. Everything is fully functional on this controller, even the hot rod circuitry, which there is not a connection for. I'll go ahead and turn this back down to low, and we see the light go dim, and I'll go ahead and turn this off. Jeff, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller. I appreciate it very much. And if any of you viewers have a problem with your controller and you'd like me to repair it, please check for my contact information in the comments below the video. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.